Hey guys, what's up? It's Zen. So today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing. I got something from Amazon Prime, so that's going to be pretty cool. I got an iPhone case because some of you know I just got the new iPhone 11. So TOOVREN, a company on Amazon, decided to gift this to me, and I said, of course, why not? I've never had like kind of a luxury phone case before, and I think you'll kind of see what I mean. So let me go ahead and open this up. So it came with the Amazon Prime delivery, so it only took like 1 to 2 business days. So in here, I just have this, and it was packaged. Quite a big bag. Okay, so here it is wrapped in kind of this plasticky material, and I will open it up. And inside, we have a wooden box. This is pretty nice. Some place to just kind of store your phone case, if you will. So I can kind of just open it up. It's really easy to open. Ooh, so the inside is black and the outside is wood. Oh, I opened it upside down. So here, you open it like this, and here's the case. So you can use this for other things too. I'm trying to think even business cards, pencils, maybe something like that. Or if you're not using your phone, maybe it'll fit. I have a pop socket on there right now though. So the case I'm using right now is a clear case, but as you can see, it doesn't look that great on the black. So here it is. This is the TOOVREN leather case. So this is supposed to be genuine leather, and it should develop a patina over time. So it means the leather will age with you. So it's genuine leather. It feels nice. It's really soft, but it's still like sturdy. There's some kind of flexibility there, but you definitely can't break it. And the inside is this lining. I believe it's microfiber lining. So it's very soft against your phone as well. And here is a close-up. So that is the leather. On the side here, it has silver buttons. I know some phone cases just have holes, but these buttons are silver, and it has like a little slot for the mute button. And I would say the weight of this, it's very lightweight. So let me take this off of my phone, and let's see if we can just pop that right in. So it did take me a little time to put that on. I'm guessing because the case isn't so stretchy yet. It's supposed to soften up over time, I believe, because of the leather. But it's fine. It means like it's not going to be so loose to the point where your phone's going to fall out when it does soften. So here is what it looks like. And I'm pressing the buttons very lightly, and they work fine. So let's go ahead, use my Face ID, and then all the buttons work. Here is the mute, so try to unmute that, which is fine. I have nails, so it's a lot easier for someone like me to do. Here is the bottom, so you have your chargers and your speakers, and you can see them perfectly. And here's the back for the camera. So it does bump up to the point where if it hits flat, your cameras will not be damaged, as you can see. So maybe I guess it's a little difficult to see, but you see there how the camera's kind of under the case. So at least the case is thick enough for something like that to happen if your camera were to fall. Some things that you can't see right away from the case is that it's supposed to be shock absorbent. So if you were to drop it, it's supposed to fully protect your phone. In addition to that, it does have wireless charging, which I do not have. And I like this because I feel like this won't show as many fingerprints as, let's say, if you didn't have a case, because this black is very prone to fingerprints. But if you can see from here, like this one, like you see all that, like this is like a fingerprint magnet, which is fine. But if you're like into that, I mean, nobody will really care, but it's just something to kind of keep in mind. So I really like this phone case so far. I've never had kind of a luxury case and even like a luxury wooden box to kind of hold it in, so it's nice. This is very light though. It's not like a very heavy kind of wooden box. I mean, I do really like this phone case so far. I mean, this is my first time opening it, but I can tell it's just very light. I like the way it feels. It's kind of like soft, especially when you're picking up your phone, you expect to kind of touch something else. But here, it is the genuine leather. You can kind of see like the ribbing on this side. It's like, and it's a little, I don't want to say cracked. It's like how leather usually is, like when it ages. So over time, this should soften up, develop a different kind of color. But so far, it's looking good. I'm very excited to use this. Alright, so let's see if we can fit this in here, if we wanted to. So this box is big enough to fit the iPhone with the case inside. So there it is. But thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun unboxing this. This is very new to me, and I like it a lot. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!